Bienvenidos! Welcome everybody. Today we're going to talk about the indirect object in Spanish. The indirect object is used to indicate the recipient of an action. It answers the questions to or for whom or to or for what in a sentence. The indirect object pronouns are used to replace the indirect object nouns. In singular we have me, which means to or for me. Me. Te, to or for you. Te. Le, to or for him, her, it, or the you formal. Le. And in plural form, we have nos, to or for us, nos. And we have les, to or for them, or you plural, les. Let's take a look at some examples. Me dijiste la verdad. Me dijiste la verdad. You told me the truth. Te presté mi libro. Te presté mi libro. I lent you my book. Le escribí una carta. Le escribí una carta. I wrote him or her a letter. Nos regaló un viaje. Nos regaló un viaje. He or she gave us a trip. Les compré un regalo. Les compré un regalo. I bought them a gift. Me cocinó la cena. Me cocinó la cena. He or she cooked me dinner. Te di un consejo. Te di un consejo. I gave you advice. Le enseñé la lección. Le enseñé la lección. I taught him or her the lesson. Nos dio la bienvenida. Nos dio la bienvenida. He or she welcomed us. Les mostré el camino. Les mostré el camino. I showed them the way. What other questions do you have about the indirect object in Spanish? Let me know in the comments. Meanwhile, here's another helpful Spanish video to keep practicing. Muchas gracias.